Isn't it beautiful? Just rotating through crypto while running a Bitcoin node. I absolutely love having this in my home. Hey guys, this is a follow-up on my last video on the Bitcoin node, and firstly I want to say thank you for all the people who liked and reshared my video. But let's go back to the topic of this video, because I'm back in Lisbon and here I have another Raspberry Pi 4, same as I had in Montesilvano, Italy, and I wanted to set up another Bitcoin node still with Umbrel. So what did I do? First of all, I bought a case, a Raspberry Pi 4 case with a screen, because I want to play with it. You can see the screen here, but you're gonna see more in details later. I installed this case with the screen because I want to see what were the potential, what I could show in a Bitcoin node on a screen. And I started doing some experimentation. And I also tweeted some pictures, and Twitter went crazy. I mean, all the people asked me to make some software, to code something, because they wanted to make their nodes more beautiful. So I started doing some research and I discovered a lot of applications. They need the X server that is quite heavy, but I was looking for something more lightweight. So I started talking with people on Twitter, I started doing more research. I wanted to show something that doesn't require much system power, as we need enough for the Bitcoin node, and something that is beautiful. I have to thank to all the people who answered to the thread on Twitter, all the people who contact me in private. First of all, I want to say thanks to Vicarious Drama that contact me in private because he already developed some script for his Bitcoin node, and this is what gave me inspiration to do this Bitcoin crypto price. And yeah, thanks to you. So I took this script, started modifying it, I started playing with it, and then you will see the final result that is here. I'm gonna show you how to install it. It's very easy, and I'm gonna show you exactly what's on the screen. Now I'm on rotation, the measure crypto price. I don't know if you can see it. The measure crypto price is like looping and updating every 5 minutes. How to configure, it's very easy. Let's go on the computer and let's do everything. And we are ready. So for simplicity, I decided to install a virgin installation of Umbrel. And as you can see, once you bootstrap the OS in the Raspberry Pi, the screen is totally white. And this is why there are no driver installed, nothing installed. What I've done with my repo is like a unique install script that just takes care of everything, installing the driver, editing the boot.conf, and if you're curious, if you're a developer, just check out the install.sh script. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's go straight and get in our Umbrel install. So you know SSH, Umbrel is the user, the IP address, you get in. And here I'm logged in into my Umbrel installation. So from here, the first thing to do is to clone this repository. So either you do from here or there are the commands here. So this is what you need to do. 1, 2, and 3. This is gonna ask for your root password again, and then it's gonna ask if you wanna reboot the Raspberry Pi. Do you wanna do it now or not? Well, you must do it to see the screen. So for this tutorial, we're gonna reboot and see what happens there on the screen on the Raspberry Pi. Yes. As you can see, I've been kicked out from this shell and the Raspberry Pi is rebooting. So now you will see all the starting procedure until you get to the booting done when they ask you for the login. And this is what you would see if it was at the external monitor. So once your Raspberry Pi is rebooted, you can see the boot script on the screen as it was an external monitor. You can just SSH again into your Raspberry Pi and change the director into the Umbrel crypto display. Here you have all the scripts that we need to execute. Now we're looking at the configure script. So you run configure.sha and you need to enter a cryptocurrency takers you want to show. So in this case, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, DOT, for example. You can also enter just Bitcoin, depends on you. You can enter all the ones you want. The data is taken from CoinGecko, so they have basically all the cryptocurrencies. You configure this and you need to restart the script, so say yes and give your sudo password. It's gonna take a while, but in the meantime you see that in the Raspberry Pi something is moving, and here we go. The script has been restarted and all the cryptocurrencies that we wanted to show have been updated. Every time you want to change the cryptocurrency to show, you need to run this configure script. It's as easy as this is. And yeah, of course, if you restart your node, you need to run the start.sh again. Now it's not in the boot procedure, but we're planning to add this as well. At the same time, if you want to stop, you just need to execute stop.sh and the screen will go back to the normal console or whatever you have in your node. This is super easy to install. This is super cool, and I hope you like it and give me feedback because that's very important. As you saw, it's very easy to install. It's just a bunch of commands. It will restart and then will show you the prices. So it's very easy. But what I'm asking you after you watch this video is give me feedback. What you want to see on the Raspberry Pi. How you want it to be changed. I'm just a developer, I'm not UX expert, but let me know. I want feedback, I want ideas, because this product can be developed and improved as you want. You're gonna make it. So thanks for watching, thanks for the feedbacks, and until next time.